5.3 sum and difference. So sum and difference identity, we have the formula. So sin A plus B is equal to sin A, sin B, wrong. Sin A, cosine B. If this is plus, this is also plus. Plus cosine A, sin B. Sine, cosine, cosine, sine. If this is sine A minus B, then just copy. Sine A, cosine B, minus cosine A, sine B. Then if the question is cosine A plus B, cosine A, cosine B, then this will be minus. If this is plus, this will be minus. Sin A, sin B. And if the question is cosine A minus B, then the same identity is cosine A, cosine B, plus sin A, sin B. And then the last one is tangent A plus B is equals to tangent A plus tangent B all over 1 minus tan A, tan B. So if the question now is subtraction, then you will just change the sign of this. This will be subtraction and then this will be the addition. That is the formula that you should know in solving the sum and difference identities. Then, you should also know all the special angles. So, what are the special angles? So, special angles. The special angles are 30. I will write it here, everything. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Then next is 120, 135, 150, and then 180. Then 210, 225, 240, 270. Next, 300, 315, 330, and 360. This is the special angle. So these are the special angles that you will use to solve the question. Example number 1. So in example number 1, if the question is, write the exact value or solve the exact value of, let's have an example, number 1. Let's say the question is cosine 75. Okay. Now you need to think, is 75 a special angle? So we all know that 75 is not a special angle because if you will look at the special angle given, you cannot see the 75 here. So what you will do, you need to separate 75 using the special angle that if you will use addition or subtraction, the answer is 75. So let's have an example. So look for the special angle. So let's say 30. What can you subtract or add to 30 that the answer is 75? So this is cosine 30. Of course, that will be 45. So let us check. 30 plus 45 is equals to 75. Next, identify the A. A is this, and then B is 45. Then, apply the formula. What is our formula for cosine? Cosine A plus B is cosine cosine minus sine sine. So, I will write cosine A, cosine B. If this is plus, this will become minus. Sine A, sine b. So now let us apply the formula, the value. Cosine A is equals to 30. Then cosine B is equals to 45. So I will write this as 45 and I'll change this. So you know where did I get it? This is 30. Then if that is minus, then sine A. What is sine A? Sine angle A is equals to 30. And sine angle B is equals to 45. Then, you need to write the exact value. What is cosine 30? So, cosine 30 is equals to the square root of 3 over 2. Times, because this is multiplication, cosine 45. Cosine 45 is equals to the square root of 2 over 2. Minus, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1/2 times what is sine 45? Sine 45 is the square root of 2 over 2. Then simplify. What is the multiplication of the square root of 3 over 2 times the square root of 2 over 2? Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, or you can directly press everything in your calculator. So the answer here is the square root of 6 over 4 minus the square root of 2 over 4. This can be the final answer, or you can simplify this as the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2 all over 4. So this is your answer. Okay. Next, let's proceed in example number